This is an English channel. Yeah, you can introduce your product or introduce some of your company. Yeah, it's okay. You have the SASO certificate. It's all okay. Yeah, okay.
We are manufacturing of the.
No. Cover the movements. Okay.
We are manufacturing of panel light and have a downlight, and we have the past the CB and SASO certificate. This is the products. Now we hot sell. Is frameless type, and is different with normal type. Is that not have it can be make the same fish, and it can make the power more higher, and then can be brightness, and it can save the cost of this type of panel.
Now
light.
this one, how many watt of this one?
This one is 22 watt.
22 watt. Oh.
Yeah, normally have the normal panel for this size just 12 watt.
12 watt. Yeah.
So
very powerful. Now it's
yes,
powerful.
and we have a 4 power. Have the 9 watt, have the 50 watt, and have the 22 watt and the 32 watt. Have 4 power, and have one mainly it can make a frame. It can make a adjust the
adjustable
size.
tips. Yeah.
Yes, and yes, so you can make the size what you want. So when making in the ceiling, you can make a big cut size and small cut size. Yes, this is the very important. Yes, and also we have for the adjusted cut size panel, we have a this type. It is a plastic. Yeah, and the mainly is this type is the is also adjustable, and
The
it
can adjust.
it also can and for this type it is DOB type. It means driver on the PCB.
The driver is already on the PCB.
Yeah, not like this one.
Yeah, this
so
is-
it can save the cost. Yeah, for this one, and this is our own products. We open this mold by ourselves, and we have the competitive price for all of our customer.
Great. Yeah.
Yes, for this type. Yes. So now we mainly sell is both of these products, and with competitive price. Yes.
So it's different versions.
Yeah,
So this version is with the LED driver. This one, the version is inside the LED driver, and no need to add the LED driver.
Yes, and can it is the different is this type can be no need the driver, and so save many cost.
Yeah, the safety cost. This is more
Yes, and now popular.
reasonable price and very popular at this moment.
Yes.
You mean the price is this? Or
Yes.
this one, maybe you
For-
can tell to the customer, and then
Yeah, for this one, this size is this price.
If the small size, and then the price is 2.69.
Yes, and for this have the driver that type. Yes,
The driver with the driver type.
this type the same size. The same size is 3.99.
IMB.
Yes, IMB. It also
Can take the
competitive
picture.
price.
Yeah. If this version, this size or this size?
It is a small size.
Small size.
Yes, the same size is 85. The size is 85. The price
85. 85 inch or 85?
85 mm.
Okay,
Yes.
85 mm.
Yes.
If the size is 85 mm, the price with driver, the price
It's cm. I think.
cm.
Yeah.
85 cm.
Yes, cm.
The price is
The same. And both of these, the size is the same. Have 4 size. Have the 85 and have the 120 and have the 170 and have the 220. And we also have this model. The back side is same to this one, but the fish is like this. We open the new fish.
this is the new model.
Yes, in the market the new model, and also have a four size. Yeah, the mainly different is the looking. Yes, and we make have a six size. Yeah. And it also the same is 9, 12, is 9, 15, 22 and 32. And welcome all friends to make inquiries and visits.
This one is already the lens already on here.
Yes, the light in here.
The light here.
The chips in here. And it's for normally we use in this type of light, it's 0.2 watt one chips, and for this one is 0.5. So it looking brightness.
Yeah, more bright, very
Yes.
bright. Yeah.
One by and bigger the chips.
Okay.
Yes.
And it can save more cost.
这款是线性的，我们有一款是应该是铁的。
You have the CB and the CE and
yes.
SASO. All of them, all the product, you have this certificate. Is that right?
Yes. We have do the CB and have the all products have the pass the CE, also the rose, and also have the CB SASO. SASO is the mainly certificates for Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
difficult to get the SASO.
Yeah, and CB and the CB all of our products also already passed, and is the certificate the institute is from SGS, also is international.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great.
Yes, so we can make this CB all products according CB
customer.
required. Yeah, to all of our customers. Yes, and the CE is the because all of our business is foreigner. It is sell to overseas.
To overseas.
Yes.
Most of your products sell to overseas.
Yeah, all of our products sell to overseas, and all of our products all pass CE certificate. Yes, and we have a sale to like to Middle Eastern, South Africa, and Europe. Yeah, Europe, like Russia. Yeah. Have a and also Poland. Also have some customers.
I think your products has a huge quantity. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Most of them very huge quantity for products.
Yeah. Because our products is mainly is using in the like a supermarket.
Supermarket.
Yes, shops. Yes, and office. From this place, normally needs use big quantity. So we can our customers always can order a huge quantity for their need.
Okay. Mainly your product is the LED panel lamp.
Yes. Lead time is called panel, and also some customer is called downlight.
Downlight.
Yes, and we sell for this type of light is now till now is 7 years already.
7 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we make we now have our factory have about 70 workers.
70 workers.
Yeah, we have about 70 workers mainly do this kind of products. So one day of our factory's capacity it can be 30,000 pieces to 50,000 pieces.
Oh, good.
Yes, for per day's production. Yes, can like this. So we can make the faster delivery time for our customers.
How many? Yeah, the delivery time. Normally how many days?
Normally, if one container from our delivery time, it will be from now our factory's production. Maybe it will be about 20
days.
Yeah, 20 to 25 days.
20 to 25 days.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
This because we need to purchase materials. So this needs give us some. If we production make it very quickly, it's
very
1 to
quickly.
2 days. Yes.
The one container is for the 20 GP or 40 GP?
Oh, 40
GP.
Yeah,
40
GP.
Oh yeah, great. 40 GP, one container is only about 25 days.
Yeah,
Lead
25
time.
days.
Yeah, very
Yes.
quickly. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. May I have your name card?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah, Mandy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mandy.
Yeah, if anyone wants some inquiry,
Welcome to contact me.
yeah, Mandy. Okay, thank you for your detailed introduction.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, good business.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.